And well, hello there everyone. I hope you're having a good day. This will be a quick video and I'm going to explain to you a bit about my curtain system, and it works really great for summer, but it also works really good for winter. Actually, mostly for winter more than anything else. So you've probably in a previous video have seen my curtain. So this part of the curtain makes it all nice and pretty inside in here. Kind of nice, very relaxing, homey, cozy, that kind of thing, because that was the styling that I wanted for this particular build. The theme here, okay? And you've got my roof, my favorite part of the van. Also because the roof was from a dumpster dive, right? And I just cleaned it up. Anyway, I digress. So one of the things that I find in the wintertime is it gets very cold sometimes. I mean, really, really cold. So the idea is to try to sort of encapsulate, is create this sort of little bubble, okay, inside my van. And what I've done is I've put a curtain in front of me here where the side door is, but I also put in a curtain here. So I've got three layers here. You have the top layer, which is mostly for aesthetics. And then I have this thick layer. This is like a curtain. It's a thick, kind of like a canvasy type of curtain. And then finally I have this one here, which is a blackout curtain. And this is the part that sticks out, that shows up within the cab over there. So it closes off the cab area. And if I do this, what it does is it creates this amazing insulation of warmth. Okay, it's sort of like it's like you're underneath some really, really cozy blankets on a cold day. So when I turn on my diesel heater, which I now, created an exhaust going through to the bottom so it warms up my feet right now. Maybe I'll show that later on. It creates this really nice warm area for me. And I've got the backing, and now I can just sit down and be all comfortable. So that's what my curtains do. And today you're probably wondering, why is he wearing overalls again? Well, I was doing some work, just some updates here and there, but also this van. I don't know if you know the story behind this van. It's just been such an amazing find. I had a mechanic check it out first when I picked it up, and it's just been running so smooth. And I do the standard oil change, make sure the fluids are in place. I don't drive crazy, and it's just been going so well. Well, finally, I ran into an issue, and that was the signal light. And what happened was, when I turned on my left signal, it went, it's like it was flashing really quickly. And whenever I see that, I know for a fact that I got to do one thing: do Google search why that's happening. And Google sent me over to a YouTube video that basically said that if you've got your signal turned on and it's going, it's flashing really quickly, and this is for the Dodge Grand Caravan. This is 2008. Maybe it's the same with every car. I'm actually not sure, but it basically said that your backlight is probably out, right? And guess what? It was. And so I went to Canadian Tire, which is an automotive place. I looked up the part number for the back bulb, the back of my van. I followed the YouTube instruction, popped open the back there, put in the bulb, and bam, Bob's your uncle. And it worked. Bob's your uncle. I don't know what that means, but I've heard it before. But I guess it means, hey, good work. I'm not sure. But anyway, the point is, I saved like 70 bucks, 70 to $100 Canadian. That would be like, I think, $20 US. No, it isn't actually. It's probably like $50 or $60. But I had the tools. I needed a torque wrench, and I happen to have one, right? And and the torque was stripped out. And so what I ended up doing was I just sort of took a hammer and the torque and popped it in more, and it grabbed it, and I was able to take off the bolts that held the backlights together. And so I literally saved $70 via Google. So thank you very much, Google. And the person that I saw the video, I'm going to see if I can find them, and I would love to send them just a $5 coffee or buy them a drink. Totally appreciated it. And I'll let them know. And if I find it, I will put it in the link below, because check it out. You might find it helpful. But I find Google, rather YouTube, has been so instrumental in how I built up this van and also how I'm going about fixing my van as well. Okay, I'm done. I got a bunch more things I want to talk about, but I'm not going to do them for this video because I'm already past 5 minutes. I will talk to you about another time. Till next time, thanks very much. And I'm always reminding you guys, and I'm always reminding me because I need to remind me and reminding you that, remember, you're awesome. You could do stuff. You just got to plan it out. Take your time. You know, whether you're 20 or 40 or 50 or 60, you know what? You can always try. Oh, you shouldn't be caught up into this whole thing that, oh, once you're 50 or 60, it's too late for success. I don't think it's ever too late for success, and it's never too late to always rebuild. And that's my message for today. Okay, guys, have a great day. Thanks very much. You're awesome. Bye.